the hard way, and then we show you shortcuts. So today and tomorrow I'm showing you some shortcuts on how to show two triangles are similar. What's the point? So then you don't have to show that all three angles have a pair and all three sides are proportional. I don't know. So that's the way that works every time. The long way works for any polygon, whereas these only work for triangles. That was a good question. Okay, so angle similarity says if you have two pairs of corresponding angles of two different triangles that are congruent, then those triangles are similar. So we don't care what their side lengths are, we don't care what the third angle measure is, as long as we have two pairs of congruent angles, that's enough information to say those triangles are similar. So we'll first look at different kinds of triangles and decide if they're similar. And then we'll use similar triangles to find missing values. And then I'll show you guys a little application of what you can use this for. Okay, let's look at the first one. So what are we looking for in these triangles?
They have two similar angles.
Two congruent angles. Okay, so does angle L have a buddy?
Yeah.
Which one? M. What about angle J?
No.
It could.
How do we determine because of the same angle?
Because they're the same angle measure. So to find Q, subtract from 180, tell me what you get. Is it 48? Now check it out. They're going to try to trick you.
It's 48.
Someone verify.
It is actually 48.
It's
48.
Okay.
Is it?
It is. It should be. So if we have two pairs of congruent angles,
Yes.
yep, you're going to say yes. Then we're going to say triangle. We could, if it was wanting us to justify, but they just want a similarity statement. So triangle
JK.
LJK. And now we match. What matches L?
M.
M. What matches J?
Q.
And then P. Very good.
Up here.
You are Q.
Wait, what?
Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, there's a lot of typos in here and some examples that don't work, so just kind of bear with me. I don't know what I was thinking when I was making these. Okay, next one. What do we think? What do we know?
They're perfect.
Not congruent. Similar.
Oh,
But I see no angle measures.
So they're not. Oh yeah, they're because of the opposite.
Vertical.
And
Mark that for me.
And then alternate interior.
Alternate interior. That's
Wait, but what about the other one? So
they would also be congruent if you want to put those down. Yep. So that one does work.
Oh, but if two are then.
If two are, we're already good. So again, we're going to say yes.
Told you they're congruent.
Not congruent. Similar. Not. No. Okay. Triangle. Should we say SRS?
I know.
Okay. What matches S and the other guy on the right?
SWT.
SWT. Perfect. Looking good.
These ones are not similar.
I love that you use the right vocab. Is Landon right? Are these similar? Why?
One has two ends, another one has one. Why?
We have one angle pair. Do we have a second one?
No.
No, not similar.
Not.
You have to explain it or you just
Not similar. What about this one?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, let's look. What's this? H match. Okay.
No, they're not.
No, they're not.
How do you know?
Because it's off.
It's off?
Yeah, if you subtract 32 and 29 from 180,
What do you get?
119.
119. Does 119 match 121?
No.
No. Okay, you guys try the last two, then we'll compare. Try the last two examples for me. Yeah, the angles didn't match.
This is the calc. I already have the bottom.
Oh, you see it?
Yeah. Well, this is actually like the decimal one. It's correct.
Yes, I have to make sure, buddy.
How about you're correct?
It's correct, buddy.
It's triangle A, B, C,
B is 66. It's DFE.
Yeah, that's what I put.
Buddy, you need to calm down. 8. 68. I'm not saying it.
Do the math.
Just do this. 68. 68 is not going to be 12, so 68. There's no number.
It's trying to trick
Is it a straight line? Yeah, it is.
Actually, correct.
I have to make sure that.
Do we match?
Yes.
Yeah. Like,
It is
We all need Alright, when you're ready, flip it over. Flip it over when you're ready so I know we're good to go.
But you're not going to be the
no, I have to go to track.
I'm going to make up.
I need to track it. And then I'm gonna go after the track. So I'll be home at like 7.
Alright, folks, we have to figure out which one of these options would not be enough information to show the triangles are similar. So if we have this flip right here, what do we know just looking at our picture before we even...
Another 90 degree.
Right triangle.
Another not.
Right triangle. Are they both right triangles?
Yeah.
So if this is a right angle, that's a right angle?
Yes.
Very good. So what do we really need to show that these triangles are similar?
Just one more angle.
One more angle.
Oh, so A and B are right.
So let's look. Angle LMN. Where is that? LMN. Top guy is congruent to MON. MON. Is that enough information to say there's?
Yeah.
So that one works. Okay. Let's try the next one. Remember, we're looking for the one that doesn't work. Let's hear it. Angle LNM.
This one does not.
That's the right angle right there. And angle MNOMN.
That does not work.
Is that enough information to say? No, because they gave us the pair we already know. Not enough info. That was it.
Yeah.
Process of elimination. We're done. You look. All right, the first one we're skipping.
Let's go.
Skip it because it's not right. It's a bad example. I apologize. I didn't see it before I printed these.
Maybe, yeah.
Okay, let's use these similar triangles to help us find missing values. Okay, before we even start finding X and Y, do you guys see our two similar triangles here?
Yeah.
Do you guys see how we have a small one and a big one?
Yep.
Do you guys see the purple one?
The purple one. Oh yeah.
And then the big blue one, ACD. Okay, very good. Why are they similar though before we start? What angles are the same by just looking at this?
E and D. Or
B and D.
So when you remember you have these three letters if there's multiple
A,
ones.
E, B, and E, B, or E, D, C. It's like,
I think I heard someone say this angle and this one.
yeah.
Wait,
Why?
Because the consecutive.
They are corresponding.
And
And then you guys see how angle A is in both triangles? But do you see it though? Right? ABC, here's angle A, then the big one would come out from A as well.
Is that what we're trying to prove?
I'm just showing you because one comes like this happens a lot and I just want to make sure you know why they're the same. Okay, do you want to find X or Y first? X. Alright, so let's start with X. What does X match on the bigger triangle?
3.
CD.
CD, which is 3.5, very good. Okay, now come back to the small triangle. What side do we have to use now?
3.
Have to use 3. What does 3 match on the big triangle?
Yeah, I don't really know.
3.
No.
I thought we had to
Two.
use the.
Two.
I thought we had to use
It'd be
the.
2 or 2 5.
Maybe 3.
Why?
Oh, I
Should be 5, right? 5 matches.
One.
So that's a massive one.
No, it's one.
Just give it a sec. Just give it a second.
You're so lucky. Pause, bro.
like approximately
This was about
10.5.
10.5 divided by 5. 2 point.
Write that down.
10.5.
Is it not 10.5?
2.1.
2.1? So that was BE. That's what we just found. BE. Now we gotta do Y. What does Y match? This is tricky.
This one is
6.
No.
y plus 3,
No,
Oh.
right?
Yeah, it matches this whole side, which is what?
Y plus 3.
Y plus 3.
Y over y plus 3.
Yep. So remember, you have to match whole sides right now, not parts of sides. Yep. Okay, equals 3 over
Y.
5.
I knew it.
Would it be 5 or 3?
No, small triangles on top. Small triangles on top.
Equals.
Cross multiply for me.
Y plus 4.5.
5 y equals 2 y plus 3. 2 y equals 3. Y equals 3 over 2. Y equals 3 over 2.
I see plus 3.
Did you remember 3 times 3 is 9?
I did not do that.
Y, 9 divided by 2 is.
Oh my gosh.
Careful though, you're not looking for Y, you're looking for what?
7.5.
AD, so what's 4.5 plus 3? 7.5. That's going to happen on your assignment. You're not always looking for the variable, you're looking for a side length. Okay? Ready for the next one? All right.
How do you forget? X over X plus 5.
Oh, close.
Oh my God.
You're very close. What would this whole side length be?
X plus 5.
X plus 5.
Over X.
Close. What does X plus 5 match on the small triangle?
X.
5. These guys go together. Okay, so now we gotta do this big side over here. What's the length of MO?
9 3/5.
9 3/5. What is that as a decimal for my decimal friends? 9.6. Over what? 6. Very good. Just matching. Big triangle to small triangle, just match.
Make sure you do 6x plus 30. It's like 48. X equals.
NP equals 8.
You get
Why is x equal 30? Why is 6x equal 48 minus 30? Okay, so why does
We match. Okay, we're skipping the last one on this page because it doesn't work out.
No wonder you won't get it.
3 plus 5. Right? Okay.
Where's the Y at? Oh, you pizza. I thought we had.
I see. No point in
I love swimming.
Me too. That was not my. Alright folks, last two. Little application and some typos in here.
Man, what's this?
It says Molly is estimating the height of the Superman roller coaster in Mitchellville, Maryland. She is 5 feet 3 inches tall and her shadow is 3 feet long. If the length of the shadow of the roller coaster is 40 feet, how tall is the roller coaster? So they have a nice picture here for you. Do you guys see how we have similar triangles?
Yeah.
Sure.
Here's Molly's triangle.
Yes, Landon.
Okay, well, what angle do they share?
Right angle.
The right angle, and these would be parallel. So then we would have corresponding angles. So it's angle, angle. That's why it works. Now again, we're just gonna match you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do 3 over 40. Do you guys agree that 3 matches 40?
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's like your shadow. So maybe you want to give yourself a key shadows. Don't write that. Don't write that.
Equals 5.25 over X.
Oh, 40 divided by 3.
Do you guys agree with 5.25 over x?
Yeah.
5.
Question though, folks. Why is it 5.25 if she's 5'3"? Why is it not 5.3?
Because she's not that tall.
There's 12 inches in a foot, not 10. So what fraction is 3 over 12?
5.
1/4, which is 0.25.
Yeah.
I think you should write that down so you remember.
That's actually why
That's right. Well, it's 'cause- so we forget that there's not 10 inches in a foot sometimes when we're doing math.
Is that gonna be like?
Or
See that stuff?
Is it not 70?
It should be 70, I believe.
it's 70. Okay.
I did it in like 3 steps. Literally, actually, like,
I messed up my zeros.
I don't understand it. It's actually a 0.
You guys get 70?
I mean, it's 0. I don't think like make zeros like this.
Okay, why don't you try the next one? Maybe get a head start. You did right, didn't you?
He's like my height right now. Like,
Yeah, he's 4 years old.
yeah, he is 4.
No,
60.
not saying that.
Actually, when you know Julia says it's me, that's weird.
Is this supposed to be a decimal?
I don't believe this one's a decimal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I drew the diagram.
The shadows.
I drew the diagram.
So I didn't.
If you're doing the same one you did, look over.
Adam. Maybe you need to figure it out.
2.5 divided by 9.
Okay.
Times 6.
That's a little
How did you?
Yep. Feet. Go to feet. If you don't put feet, she's not gonna know what it is. She's gonna think.
Fact.
You don't know.
That's me.
She literally don't know. Take it down.
Okay, you guys get an answer and I'll give you your homework if I think you're right.
Is that
So his face is
no,
like.
actually. I need my pencil.
Buddy, that's my.
One, 6, S.
What's this one supposed to be? The first one's like, yeah. 60, yeah. The first one's yeah.
This one you don't. X, Y, Z. W.
I don't know how to
Yeah. My head hurts.
A.
I need to get cold for my water.
Buddy.
Look at my graph.
This is a no, right? Or a yes.
I think it's yes. Are you doing with anyone?
Three
Could it be a
yes.
yes?
I think it's a yes.
I think it's yes, because like all the angles, like, they all look the same.
Yes.